Hey everybody, this is Kaminski with YSI, and it's a big day here. I heard my doorbell ring and got a box of mail, and it is my NitraLED sensor kit. So wanted to just shoot a quick video of kind of unboxing and showing what's inside and give you a good idea of what to expect when it shows up at your door. So we have a EXO 2 or EXO 3 sensor alignment kit. We have the EXO NitraLED sensor itself. And the EXO, what is this? The wiper brush kit. Start with this. Alright, and here we've got the wiper brush. This will be used with your existing central wiper. I've got one right here. So what we would do is just slide off this part right here, put this one on.
The wiper brush kit cleans the NitraLED sensor along with all other sensors on an EXO 2 or EXO 3 sonde. It's essential for eliminating the effects of biofouling on sensors to ensure the most accurate data possible.
Next is the sensor alignment kit, and this is going to replace the zip tie that you have on your existing sonde. So there's the ring, and then we have the O-rings that go with it.
To put it simply, the alignment ring is specifically designed to hold the sensors in place so that the wiper can do its job. It was developed for the NitraLED sensor, but it really is ideal for all EXO 2 or EXO 3 sondes with a wiper, regardless of which sensors are installed.
And then last, this should be the actual NitraLED sensor. Got a UV safety warning, instructions, so the NitraLED sensor does emit ultraviolet light, which is why we have that warning in there, but it's certainly safe to touch when it's not plugged in. And there you have it.
The NitraLED sensor is YSI's newest sensor and uses UV light to measure nitrate for long-term monitoring applications in freshwater environments. It fits onto any EXO sonde, allowing for easy collection of continuous nitrate data along with a variety of other water quality parameters.
So once again, just to recap, we've got the sensor itself, the alignment ring kit, and the NitraLED wiper brush. All those items are included with the NitraLED kit, and thanks for watching.